Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone slow charging after the new iOS update. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. Let's talk about the reasons first before we move on with the solutions. So with the iOS update, if your iPhone is charging slow, you are not the only one. A lot of people have been facing the same problem. So if you're using a fast charging charger, what happens is that when you charge your iPhone and there is a rise in temperature of your iPhone, your iOS, that is your system, automatically slows down the charging to reduce the temperature. So that might be one of the reasons, but if that's not the reason, uh, let's move on with the fix. So the first fix is you might want to restart your iPhone. Now to do that, first press and hold either volume button on your side and just press on it and just press on the power button for a long period of time until the slider appears. After you do that, you can just drag the sliders and your device will turn off. After you do that, just press on the power button again and your device will start. Now to force restart your device, what you'll need to do is press and quick release the volume up button, press and quick release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and you can release the side button. After you do that, your iPhone will restart and try to charge your iPhone. Now the second solution is you might want to reset your settings. Now to do that, go to your settings and go to general. After you're on general, scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it and tap on reset. Now here, tap on reset all settings and type in your password and you're good to go. So that is basically all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.